Fox 5 News at 10 starts right now.
Well, Wow Motorcycles held an open house and stunt show today. The Wow Motorcycles is the world's largest independent motorcycle shop, owned and operated by Candy Hunter, a woman. The event had live music, some food trucks, giveaways, and of course, you had to have some exciting stunts and motorcycles with some other power sport vehicles. Hunter joined the Wow Motorcycles team back in 2002. She bought the business in 2024.
One of the things that we like to do is put on events like this to give people something to do with their motorcycle. The more that you can get people to do with their motorcycles, the more fun they have, and then they share that with their friends. And nobody likes to have a toy that just sits in their garage, so we like to invite people out, and you can see that we get everything here.
Wow Motorcycles started in 1980 and as World on Wheels International.